All right, guys, welcome back. Today we're working on Jeric's Boxster. We are installing a smiley right across the front bumper here to give it kind of like a GT3 look. And then number two, from back when I hit that tire going down to LA a couple years ago, we're gonna replace this radiator like support cover thing. It's looking pretty bad, I'll show you. A little beat up, couldn't really do anything about it. I tried my best to like cut it, but it just doesn't do it. So we're gonna replace that while we take the bumper off. But step one, Jeric, are you ready to take the bumper off?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. We're gonna show you guys how to take this off. Apparently it's like a few Torx bits up there, and then like 9 on the bottom, a couple of 8 mils over here. Pop off the side markers, disconnect the fog lights. And then one fun one is gonna be the clip, supposedly that holds the bumper to the rest of the body. It's like this metal clip that you have to like pry out this way or something, but we're gonna figure that out and we're gonna try our best. All right, so you got mounting hardware. Yeah, GT3 vent kit, installation kit.
Ooh.
There's the smiley right there.
Yeah.
Nice.
These are OEM 997 smileys.
Oh, yeah, wait, actually, can I see this?
Yeah.
Guys, check that out. It actually has a 997 part number. That's insane. So this is real. This is a real 997 smiley. Huh.
Yeah.
You want to open it up?
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, check that out.
That looks sick.
That looks nice.
That's nice. And then it's held in by some fasteners right here in the back.
All right, guys, here is the mesh here.
Oh, there's the instructions.
For reference, here's the template. It's bubble wrap right now, so it's kind of hard to see, but once we get this open, you'll see what we're talking about. It has like little holes where you drill and start the line, and then you follow the lines all through, just to make sure you get a nice, even, not ugly cut. All right, Jake, let's get to work. Ooh. What do you think?
I can't tell.
Here, I'll hold it. Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah.
Torx bits.
Looks like a T20.
I think it's too big for a 20. 30. We're taking off these little clips right here. They are a pain. Little pull. Yeah. Oh. There it is. Oh, thank God the trim. The bumper should be ready to come off. We got the 2 clips out. Let's pull it off. Oh, there's a bolt right here. We forgot the last bolt that ties it to the thing. Oh, grab the other side. Let's do it. There you go.
Just automatic clip.
Yeah. All right, guys. Now the bumper's coming off. Make sure you're not caught or anything. We got the bumper off, but we're kind of stuck on this wiring right here. There's your side marker. We've unhooked a couple things, like down here.
My wraps all the way over there.
But this goes all the way around. Obviously, it's for the wiring for fog lights and side markers. So I think your best bet is going to be to unhook it from here, Jeric.
Yeah.
Looks like someone was in here already, because first off, this thing just came right off. And then second, this is zip tied, right? It was kind of just like glued there. So we're gonna cut the zip tie, and then when we're done, we're just gonna zip tie it back to this bracket where it's originally glued to, I guess. And then from there, we should be able to take everything off. We got the bumper off. Jeric had to cut the zip tie and get that situated, but here we are. We'll be the smiley bros, I guess. Well, like, I don't know if you can call a 996's grills a smiley, but you know, let's get to cutting. So we have the template right here. Like you can see, it has holes for you to drill and then little lines for you to follow. So we're just gonna drill all that out, cut it, and I think we should be good. Jeric's taping up the bumper, so I guess we don't cut what we shouldn't be cutting. Probably a good idea.
It's mainly to make it so when you put the trim on.
Oh, it doesn't scratch everything? That makes sense. We moved operations to the backyard because it's way too hot in the front, so. From the tip of this to the point. Here's what we're working with. So if you look at it from here, you see that we aligned it perfectly to this hole, right? So that hole right there is gonna be our guideline. And by doing that, we got it pretty equal on both sides. Jeric's gonna adjust the height because we wanna leave a little tiny bit of bumper up here so it's not all just smiley. I think with this little like lip tip, if you align that to the bumper edge, I think that'll give you just enough to keep like a half finger gap right there towards the top. So now that this is aligned, I'm gonna go ahead and drill this one hole here, put a screw, and then we'll fine tune left and right height wise. Are you holding it? So we put our first 3 screws in, 1, 2, 3, 1 in the middle, 2 on the outer edges. Jeric's just double checking to make sure that everything measures up properly. How's it looking?
Pretty good.
When you take a look, that lines up perfectly right there. It's like a little sight. And then here what we did was we put this right to the corner, right? So this corner is to the very edge. It's flush. And then as you go down, you have a little bit of this. And then this helps maintain that gap. And then as you go around, this corner is also right to the edge. So that's how we have it mocked up. This is ready to drill the rest of these in to make sure the template is good to go. And then we're just gonna drill some bigger holes and then get to cutting. You ready, Jeric? I'm excited, dude.
I'm excited.
For reference, this is the drill bit we're using. I don't even know what size it is. It's just pretty fat. All right, guys, we're fine with it because we're gonna buff and polish, but remember to add some extra tape on there because we kind of scuffed it a little bit. Yeah, but if you can't feel it, it'll buff out. Okay. Yeah, you're fine. Check that out. So we followed the template to a T. I think it came out really good. So what we're gonna do is just connect all these lines right here, make sure that everything lines up, and we open up the holes and connect all the little corners. Ah. Last one, Jeric.
I know, last one. There you go. Let's see here.
Let's see how it fits. Do we need to open up the hole more?
Let me see. I could probably squish it, maybe. Let's see.
See where it's catching. Good on this side. How about your side?
Yeah.
Good on that side?
Yeah, I think we cut too much though.
That's fine. It covers it. Nice. Are we in?
Almost.
Ooh.
There you go.
There it is.
Nice.
Wow, we did it. What do you think, Dad? Looks good, huh?
Nice.
Wow. Check out this hole. So here's what we did, right? By following the template, we obviously could have gone a little bit deeper on the corners, but honestly, it's fine. I think the jigsaw was the best tool over a Dremel, which was going to leave a bunch of like debris and things we'd have to shave off. Like the jigsaw just had such a straight cut. And all we did was follow the template and connect the dots. And here we are. We have it all mocked up. We have 3 of these right here. And these are gonna go line up with those holes. And then basically their purpose is to press this against the bumper, right? Because you can see right here, the bumper's upside down. So because we inserted it from the top this way, these are holding it. And this corner piece is holding it. These are holding it. So these are lined up just like that. And then what's next, Jeric? You gonna put the mesh?
Yep, and then it should go this, kind of like that. So it lines up with the holes, ideally.
And then you put the screw in?
No, and then you put the brackets on.
There's more brackets?
All right.
So it got kind of dark last night. So we didn't get to record us putting on the brackets, but it's pretty straightforward. I'll show you guys right now. So right here, we pretty much just sandwiched this mesh. Like we put the, obviously the grill from the top, and then we put all of the, like the little first round brackets that actually push the grill against the bumper, which is really nice. You'll see that there. And then in this corner over here. And then what we had to do to secure the mesh was put this little brace across and then run the longer screws all the way through. For some reason, they gave us 2 packs of screws, some shorter ones and some longer ones. We ended up not needing the short ones at all and just using all the long ones. But there it is, guys. Here is the finished product. Oh yeah. Jeric's really excited to toss this on the car. And by the way, we're trying to fix the fog light. It popped out a little bit when I hit that tire a couple years ago. And I decided since the bumper was off, let's fix it for good. So here we are. All right, bumper's going on. Pretty much the install is the opposite of removal. We're gonna start with the top 3 right here, get the top secured, do the fender liner, and then go along the bottom. So should be pretty straightforward. Yeah, let's just do that. Okay. First look, Jeric, what do you think? That's good. Next up, we're putting these little clips in. Now that the bumper is aligned and held in with our T30s. So we're gonna do the small side out. Let's see if that works. But look at this, guys. This is gonna clip onto that little mechanism in there. This thing's actually kind of hard to put in. So we landed up there, you can see it is attaching to that little, like, the part that goes in from the bumper into your fender. This pretty much goes in, attaches to that, and locks that in place. So I was able to get it in about halfway by hand, and now I'm just gonna smack it back of the ratchet, and that did the job. So check this out. Yeah, that is snug in there. Jeric got his in, well, it's aligned, right? So pretty good. Put a couple smacks. Huh?
Should be aligned.
Yeah, it feels aligned. Yeah, you're good. Nice. We did it. Good job, Jeric.
Look how the turkey got up there. On the roof.
Wait, what? Guys. There's a turkey on the roof.
How did it get up there?
What?
I heard it like fly.
Oh my god.
I thought those things don't fly.
All right, guys, one more time on the other side.
We're done. Check that out. Smiley is finished. It came out really good. All we did was follow the template, cut it, put everything back together. We're happy. I think this was a really nice addition to the Boxster. Something to really bring the front end together. And it's subtle. It's pretty subtle on a black car, so not the worst DIY, guys. What do you think, Jeric?
I like it. Yeah. All it needs is a front lip now, and then I'm good.
A front lip, huh?
Front lip.
Okay,
Joe
let's
Toth.
go get a Joe Toth front lip.
Joe Toth lip.
And look, now we're Smiley Brothers.
That wraps it up for the Smiley project. I think we're just about ready for Car Week. Jeric, are you ready for your first ever Car Week as a participant?
I am.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so the Boxster's all ready. We're just gonna hit it with a quick wash. Well, not quick, but we're gonna hit it with a wash, clay bar, buff, polish, ceramic, just to get it looking right. We got a lot of work ahead, but anyways, thanks so much for watching, y'all. Till next time, peace.